reaction between aluminium plus chlorine gas. We know it gives us aluminium chloride. How to balance for equation? I will just solve for only this. I have a previous video in this my YouTube channel. Check how to balance all the simple step in balancing chemical equation. But let me just show you how to balance for this particular one. Or you can check that video later to get the step-by-step method of balancing a chemical equation. So let's simply do that. Now, from that video I posted, I say whenever you are faced with an equation to balance, the first thing you do is to balance it with this particular trick. Don't use try and error. Try and error will waste your time, right? Now let's start. Aluminium on the reactant side and aluminum on the product side are all balanced because they contain one atom each. But the chlorine here is the problem. Chlorine here is 3, chlorine here is 2. What do we do? Since we have 3 here and 2 here, we come to the lesser side and write 3 over 2. And we know 3 over 2 gives us a fraction. Now, how do we take away this fraction? We simply multiply 3 over 2 by a number that when we do that, we are going to have a whole number. And when we think of a number, 1 won't give us that. And when we think of 2, when 3 over 2 times 2, 3 over 2 times 2 simply gives us 3. So it means that when we multiply 3 over 2 by 2, we are going to have 2. 3 over 2, we have 3 here. But no, we will not just multiply only chlorine. We have to multiply both aluminium and aluminium chloride by that same 2. So we will do that. 2 times 1 here is 2, and 2 times 1 here is 2. At the end of the day, our equation must be balanced. Now let's check. Aluminium on the reactant side 2, chlorine on the product side 2, aluminium 2. Chlorine on the reactant side is 6, 3 times 2, 6, and chlorine on the product side 2 times 3 is 6. So our equation is balanced. Bye for now. Check out my previous video for balancing of chemical equation. Have a nice day.